my dear students. So this is for standard 6, and today we'll discuss chapter 7 of geography, political and physical division of India. This is geography. Okay, so today we'll discuss all the question answer in this video one by one. So let's start from your textbook question answer. So first is your multiple choice question. So this range of Himalayas is called the Greater Himalayas. It is the dash. It is the Himadri. The area drained by a river and its tributary is called a dash basin. The Thor Desert is an area of dash drainage, inland drainage. 4 number Next question number 4, the oldest landform of India is option C, Eastern Ghats. The next, fill in the blanks. The principal landmass of a country is known as mainland. Okay, land projecting into the sea and surrounded on three sides by a large water body is called dash. Question number 2, peninsula. The southernmost range of the Himalayas is called dash, Siwaliks. Then question number 4, all small stream or river joining the main river is called its tributary. Okay, tributary. Then next come to the C. Very short answer type question. What is the latitudinal extent of India? So first question, India's geographic extent is between 8 degree 4 inch north and 37 degree 6 inch north latitude, and between 68 degree 75 east and 97 degree 25 inch east longitude. Next question number 2, name the countries of Indian subcontinent. So the countries of Indian subcontinent is Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Afghanistan. Okay, these are the subcontinent country of India. So next question number 3, what is Purbanchal? On the eastern boundary of India along with Myanmar lie the ranges in the north south direction that are better known as the Purbanchal. Next come to the short answer type question. This is D. First question, write in one point the difference between a tributary and a distributary with one example from east. So first is tributary, then distributary. So first is a small stream or a river joining the main river is called its tributary. Here is an out following branch or stream of a river is called distributary. The river forms many distributary before draining into the ocean or sea. Second point, example, Damodar, a tributary of Ganga. Similarly, example, Dibang and Lohit are the distributary of river Brahmaputra. Next, question number 2, answer. So Sundarbans is an area of mangrove swans. Elaborate this statement with its two main features. Ganga in Bangladesh flows into the Bay of Bengal. Apart from being the largest, the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is the fastest growing delta in the world. So a large part of the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is marshy and is known as Sundarbans, an area of mangrove swamps. So these features are, first is, so it is the world's largest delta where Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers are meeting with the Bay of Bengal. Next is the area is influenced by regular high and low tides and has salt marshes. Next, question number 3. Describe the economic advantages of Chota Nagpur Plateau. This plateau is मतलब कि छोटा नागपुर plateau is the oldest geographical division associated with many mineral deposits, some of which have been mined since ancient time and are the basis of economic development. Next, question number 4. Write a short note on the Ghats in India. The Ghats of India are Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. First is Western Ghat, we'll discuss. So, first is A point. There are relatively higher in the south, stretching from river Tapi to Kanyakumari, about 1600 km parallel to the coast. B point. The Western Ghat include a number of hills whose average height is 1200 meter, but peaks may rise up to 2500 meter. Then Eastern Ghats. So the hills bordering the Deccan Plateau on the east are known as Eastern Ghats. In height, they are lower than the Western Ghat. The Eastern Ghat are also broken into small parts by rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. Then come to the long answer type question. So first question is, what are the advantages of India's central location on the world map? So advantages of India's central location. So international trade, maritime routes were developed in this region during the ancient times. Even today 90% of international trade is carried out through the sea routes. So climate, what is the climate? Being at the head of the Indian Ocean, its climate is shaped by the winds blowing over the ocean, which pick up moisture and cause rainfall throughout the subcontinent. Then third eye, geographical unit. The Tropic of Cancer divides the Indian landmass into almost two equal halves. The mountains and plateau joined by the plain region make the Indian subcontinent a distinct geographical unit. Then next question number 2. So describe briefly the five main structural units of Indian landmass. So first point is the northern mountains. So the great mountain wall in the north of India is not a single entity. It consists of the highest mountain range in the world. Then the northern plains. The northern plains are one of the largest alluvial plains in the world and are devoid of any sharp of major relief features. Peninsular plateau. The peninsular plateau was formed some 50 million years ago due to the accumulation of thick layers of ballistic lava. It is one of the oldest part of the Indian subcontinent, having been a part of Gondwana land millions of years ago. Gondwana land. Then come to the coastal plain. Coastal plain, the western and eastern Ghats subside to the coastal plains. The coastal line stretches to about 6,100 km from the Ran or Kutch in the west to West Bengal in the east. Islands. India has two island groups to its name, Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep Islands. Then next is question number 3. This is last question. What is a basin? What do you know about the Indus Basin? The area drained by a river and its tributaries is called a river basin. The Indus Basin The Indus Basin is drained by the river Indus. I'm zooming this thing because that's why you can write very well. And its tributaries. So Indus rises from glacier near the Manosarovar Lake in Tibet, flows through Ladakh. It enters Pakistan via Gilgit and is joined by rivers Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Satluj, along with a number of other rivers in its course, and ends its journey in the Arabian Sea near Karachi. Its basin is spread over 1,165,000 square kilometer. Major part of its basin lies in Pakistan. So here is that's it, the end. And next chapter I'll put very soon. Till then, wait and like, share, subscribe. Thank you.